So hello guys, welcome to Tech to Top One. So in this video, I am going to show you how to edit video in Premiere Pro. So if you are a beginner, you don't know nothing about Premiere Pro, so this video is for you. So I am going to introduce you all the necessary tools in Premiere Pro and how to edit them, how to use them properly to edit your video. So let's jump to the window.
So at first, when you open your Adobe Premiere Pro, the first window will be like this. So here you can see some option: new project, open project, new theme project, and open theme project. So if you want to edit your video, you have to select this new project. So I am going to select this. So at first, give a title of your project. So I am going to write a title. I am going to give a title. Then select OK. So when at first you will open your project, the window will be look like this. So as you can see, there is some tools like assembly, editing, color, effects, audio, graphics, libraries. So these all the tools are important if you want to edit your video. So in this video, I am going to introduce you all the tools in the Adobe Premiere Pro and then how to use these tools to edit your video. So let's talk about these tools. So here the editing, color, effects, audio and graphics. These 5 tools is very important if you want to edit your video. So this is a color tools. If you want to color get in your video, you can do it from here. And effects, if you want to add some effects in your video, you can add some effects from here. And this is the audio. If you want to edit the audio which comes with the video, you can edit this audio from here. And here is some graphics. If you want to add some graphics in your video, you can do it from here. So before talking about these 5 tools, I am going to show you some other tools in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see, there is the selection tools. If you want to select something, you need this tool. This is almost like same as the, and then this is the track select forward tools, and this is the repel edit tools. This is the razor tools, and this is the slip tools, and this is the text tools. If you want to add some text in your video, you can do it from here. So the razor tools is very important. This is the most useful tools in editing. By these tools you can crop your video. That means if you don't want some part of your video and you want to delete this part from your video, so then select these tools. So I will show you after some time how to crop some part from your video by using these tools. So as you are a beginner, so you need to know how to import the video to edit, because if you want to edit your video, you need to import your video from the local disk to the Adobe Premiere Pro. So how to select this video? So now I am going to show you how to select a video to edit inside the Premiere Pro. So if you want to select a video, then just click here and go to the file you have created before. As you can see, I am created this file at the beginning, so I am going to select this. So here you can see the option for import media to start. So just double click here, and as you can see, it brings me to the local disk. So I am going to select a video to edit, to show you how to edit video. So I am going to select this video and just click it open. The video is automatically imported here. So just select here. So now if you want to edit this video, so just click here and drop this video here. As you can see, the video already here, and now select this video again and drop here. So there are two window here. This is the source window and this is the program window. And the program window is very important because the final project we want to make all the if you want to make the final project you want to make, you have to do it from the program files. So now I am going to show you how to crop this video, because you are a beginner, you want to know how to crop this video and how to add two or more video together. So now I'm going to show you how to crop this video. So if you want to crop this video, that means you don't want some part from your video, you want to delete some part from your video, so you have to select this select tool button. So as you can see, I don't want this part, this white part, from my video. So I'm going to right click it and click on the repel delete. So as you can see, this white part has been deleted. So now if you want to add two or more video together, you have to select the another video you want to add with this video. So I'm going to select another video. So as you can see, I want to add this video. So select here like before, and as you can see, the video is here. So I am going to drag this. Okay. So the video is here. So I have added the other video with together, as you can see. So by this way you can add two or more video together. Now I am going to show about the color grading of your video. So if you want to color grade your video, you have to select this color grading option. So now I am going to select this white part of my video and I want to color grade this white part. So here are some options to color grade your video. Here this is the basic correction and this is creative correction, and this is the color wheels and the other tools. So in basic correction you have to do all the color grading manually. As you can see, if I decrease the temperature is decreasing. If I increase exposure, the exposure has increased, and if I decrease contrast, the video contrast automatically decreased. And if you don't want to color grade manually, then you select creative tools, and here you can see here is my video, and if you select here, you will find a lot of option to color grade your video. If I select this, as you can see, the video has already color graded, and then if you go back again to the basic correction, and then you can choose your color option from. So now the videos look like this. So that means you can color grade your video by this way. So now I am going to show you how to crop your video and how to uh, rotate your video in Premiere Pro. So if you want to crop your video, that means you want to crop the size of your video, you can crop your video from here. So if you want to do this, just select a part. So I'm going to select this part So I'm going to select this part, and after selecting this part, click here and click on the effects and right here crop, and then select this crop and drag it on your video. So now select on editing, and you can see some options to edit your video. So you can crop your video from left, from top, from the right, and from the bottom. So select here, and as you can see there is some black bar here. So if I type here 15, we have that black bar. So if I type here another 15, then another black bar and the black bar. So I want to keep this part in my video, and I want to crop this black part from my video. So now click on zoom. So your video will be cropped. So as you can see, my video is already cropped. So by this way you can crop your video. So now if you want to rotate your video, just click on the rotation, and I'm going to rotate this video. So I'm going to type 180. So select, as you can see, my video has already rotated. So by this way you can crop your video and rotate your video. Save your video, that means how to export your video you have edited for your project. So if you want to save your project, that means save your video, go to the file and then select export, select media, and here you can see the format is H264 and media source YouTube 1080p. So this is the perfect setup for your YouTube video. So now select on export. So as you can see, the video is encoding. After finishing the encoding, your video will be automatically saved in your local file. So by this way you can save your video.